Isaponge onge bande ko balandi nzambe ya pambola bino ezali bongo wa bino moninga wa mikolo nyoso Evangeliste Caleb Efata Mafuala oyo lisusu na nzela ya filme oyo nde tokomeli bino na bandako na bino nzambe ya pambola bino piska nyonso bozali kolanda biso na nzela ya lisapo onge oyo tomemeli bino filme moko oyo bokosepela na yango todedie filme oyo na baboti nyonso bomabiki bazali kobokola bana oyo bazali ya bino te bana ya bambanda conseil gratuit tokopesa na bino bomeka te kokende kosala mabe na oyo ezali choix ya nzambe eloko nyonso oyo nzambe esi abongisi akokisaka yango ntina suka linga oyo eduke bana na yo malamu mpo ke bango mpe babeneficie na kati ya volonté ya nzambe filme ya biso ezali na titre nango ebengami na kombo ya Soap Love. Soap Love. Amour. Le super amour. Ebombeli biso makambo nini bolingo ya kitoko bolingo oyo evanda ebombeli biso makambo nini tolanda yango na nzela ya filme oyo nde toko comprendre. Benzula boko eza kokota kuna. Destination à suivre. Oh, comment?
When it's been years I saw you.
Oh, bazane belé.
Managing the line. I can see that you're not doing badly.
Nazomona vraiment mokile boke comme moi. Toi quoi?
So sweet.
Oh, kimia, bato bazongi baotambola te.
Tars, the roads are tars. Oh, we do.
Oh, vraiment ça plaisir ba trop nena kozonga na mboka na ngai. Azopesa bato mbote.
It's like there's a stream around here.
Yeah, nazomona
this girl.
Mon kitoko. Kuna nani?
God.
Oh.
Looking so beautiful and innocent.
Namoni filmoko kitoko kuna.
Appreciate our women born and bred at home. I really do.
Taona yaka na
Is that why
sekana
you
basi na
opted
biso.
marrying here in the village instead of abroad where you
Ya
studied?
bolingo bala no awa oroke bala no kuna. Oh, ndakuna kai fona bala koto.
Okay. Man, I really like the way that girl looks.
Oh, maybe te fi wana uti wapi mama kitoko bo.
Pocket of water balanced on her
Ilokini
head.
pita to kotali yango me
You
atireka.
know where she lives?
Koi place avanda.
I don't know, but
Na
as
yebi
far
te,
as
man.
she lives in this village, we
Lokola
can
bana nega vina le village tomona eh.
Okay,
OK,
good.
c'est bon.
I'd like to see her again. Let's
Na
go.
mona les sous. Pas de problème. Yo na boya bala moko na komona bilonga basi. Ay, kuna bazo kabone bato yaka.
I accepted you into this family as my daughter.
Na beba ko na famille lokola mwana na ngai. OK ga.
And how do you show appreciation for what I did for you? By destroying every single property in this house.
Yo ngo pepe
Every
biloko
time
to
you
na
break a
kata
bond,
ko.
are you
Tena ko. Ha?
mad?
Pesa
Pesa
ka shikot, pesa ka shikot.
You will tell me how many was the one I left for you before she died.
Okoyebisa ngo kene kwa. Yaka. Baba ay. Shikot awa bana bazo seka. Bazali ko seka bazo beta. Moninga na bango. Azali te mutu abota ye.
All right.
Adopie ko
You will come
adopte.
back.
Okozonga.
I'm going to show you.
Nako lakso
Break
lelo.
one point in this house. No,
Nazana
I'm mad.
Boma na yo. Onyoko na bana banda.
I need the fattest cow.
Nazana posa.
Really fat cow.
Ya dako mabela monene.
The sweetest wine.
Ya kitoko ba very
Best
bien.
fat in this village.
Pona kibonza makambo awa na
I need the biggest chickens
sana posa ba soso
for a
minene
feast to
pona
celebrate
fête
the return
ya
of my
retour
son.
ya mwana na ngai.
Yes, Your Highness.
Ça va, sa
Amechi,
majesté.
make sure the palace mates fill all the containers with water.
Zala sir qu'il faut
Yes,
otondisa
Your Highness.
batono nyonso na mai.
You may go.
Okay.
Your Highness.
Mais sa majesté.
Chinelo and Harmonia are here. They are
Chinelo.
waiting outside.
Aza pe na posa bona yo. Oui, akokota.
At last, the king.
Ezali esengobe.
Igwe.
Igwe
Welcome, my daughter.
yakana ma fille. Comment?
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oui, c'est bon.
The chosen bride of my son is
Oh,
here. You're welcome.
l'épouse choisie
welcome.
de mon fils. Soyez la bienvenue. Hein? Comment?
Ugo dear Jemba.
Ah,
Ugo dear.
là, il a
You're welcome.
Yo ba
You're
sate.
welcome. You're welcome.
Monena wa. Vanda. Hein? Yo
How is
kama
Zoleke?
kembo.
He's fine. He's
Ndege
fine.
ya baza
He's
bien
fine.
batunyos.
Amalicha,
Amaricha.
I know you're waiting for us back.
Ozoze mubani.
Don't worry, we'll soon come back.
Tazo ya zozonga. Amoni déjà na musika. Datansa kwa kiko pesa sawa.
Good. That's good.
Your Highness.
Sa majesté.
The prince.
Prince Azongi. Prince Azoya. Yaka toke ndiko yambe na pied d'avion. Bango nyos na pied d'avion. Le retour des princes. Prince. Retour. Obi mon fils. Et je danse. Oh, soyez le bienvenu. Et je danse.
Mama.
Et nous dansons. Il danse. Elle danse. Ah ouais, vraiment, fête à Onewana. Comment bienvenue, hein? Oui, ça va, merci. Bienvenue, vraiment. Le retour des princes. Prince Saouti, États-Unis, aïe. Mama esengona ndako mobimba esengo. Vraiment nazomanke bino mingi vraiment.
Looking gorgeous.
Oh vraiment.
Oh, well dressed and sort of added some weight here and there.
Oh yes, you know these things. Kentucky
Papa,
Fries, McDonald's. I couldn't resist them.
Go,
Ate them for so long. Makes you add, you know.
Oh,
A bit chubby. How are my chicks?
Oh na mama bunde bimina.
So McDonald's and Kentucky. are still
Nazo
available.
quand même.
Oh, very much. Did not change from the time you
Oh
left them.
non, t'as là des fois on a tika ko changer quand même. Maman, comment?
You're welcome, my son.
Bienvenue, hein?
Very, very long. You guys refused to come see me. I'm
so
the
well,
one
Mona
schooling,
Kakame.
studying, and doing
Oui,
everything.
bah
I
quoi
mean, you guys-
études, tout ça.
Okay, you're settling down to domestic affairs.
Et puis
So
dans la
look
domestique.
Thank you, ma.
Bon.
It's all
Have
for
you been
you.
eating well?
Comme Olivier bien.
Yeah, I have.
Elle est en
Like
Angleterre.
Dad said, I'm a bit chubby.
I know you.
Comment la tuma mabunde bimi?
I have bitter leaf soup. Abu,
Na la
and
belo
yam with
sauce.
egusi.
Na la
Oh,
belo
you know, I
biloko
just
nyonso
can't
olivier wana.
wait for that local food.
Mama.
I can't
Naza na
wait, man. How
posa
long will
na
it take for you to be ready? Very soon, huh?
Abugo.
Papa,
Yaka yamba.
go and set the table. Go and set the
Kede
table.
bongisa table mba.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. I'm probably going to be twice my size this time around. Yeah.
Fiyo zo mona zana mupanjino wana. Ye wana ndeto poneli obala. Bwaka lish. Ye wana nde mwase. Poneli onde wana obala. Yeah.
So,
I'll
Dad,
swim,
how's
bro.
it been? I mean, the politics, the domestic affairs here.
Ma domestique, ma politique, toi. Oui, ça va quand même, ça évolue bien. Tout va bien. Abengi Sae,
Chinelo,
Chinelo,
we're grown up now, okay?
to coller ensemble,
But you
non?
see,
Mais,
the feelings I had for you was in the
oh,
past.
sentiment nazala kopona weza
Do
ya
you understand?
kala, hein? Oui. Bah oui.
Watopinda.
Okay.
You can't do this to me.
Koko sala ngote boy.
All my life I've lived for
Boy
you.
nanga nyos na bando zela ka yo.
I've betrayed for you.
Na bando zela ka yo.
I understand, okay?
Doesn't comprehend you.
I understand, but I would like you to understand my position too, okay? I like you. I like your person. And we can still be friends. But I want to choose my wife myself, not some ready-made bride, not some packaged bride. That's not what I want.
Obina, I've been waiting for you. And I'm prepared to waste you. If that is what you want.
Chinelo, I am not talking about waiting here. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about feelings. My feeling. Chinelo, this can't work, okay? It won't work, please.
Please, Obina, don't make me an object of ridicule and mockery. I beg of you, please, Obina.
Chinelo, you will not be made a center of ridicule and mockery.
Je t'assure.
Okay? You will find a man who will love you, cherish you, care for you like you truly deserve.
Please, Obina.
Obina.
Please.
Obina. Obina. Obina.
Mama.
You mean you can't marry her?
I cannot marry her.
Je ne peux pas le marier ou l'épouser sous ce quoi là.
From the day she was born,
depuis que la
she was handmade for you.
Azaki fait pour la yo.
Prepared unto the true royalty. In a way, only befitting for a prince. You like her so much when she was a child.
Like you have rightly said, Mama, when we were kids. Now, marriage is beyond any child's comprehension. Besides, Mama, if I must marry, then I will have to search and make my own choice.
Very well then. It is settled. If you have rejected Chinelo, I shall tell your father to hold a feast and invite all the maidens in the village and to make your choice. Would that please you?
Terrific, Mama. Very splendid.
Sinon, je ne vais pas la marier. Elle n'est pas faite pour moi. Ah boy. Papa sali sa fête. Babengi sa ba fille nyonso bongo yemo kwa pona.
People of Okondo.
Bato Okondo. Boyoka makambo yo.
Igwe is organizing a welcome party.
Igwe azosali sa fête ya monene pona retour ya mwana ne Obina.
And all the maidens of this village.
Et puis ba fille nyonso village yo, il faut baya na fête wana.
The prince will be selecting.
Prince akopona mwasi nini akobala ye moko. Boyoki boya bino nyonso a ne pas manquer o. Ye Goliath ayoki yango. Ah, bonjour. Comment? Oui, ça va. Goliath a eu bonne nouvelle. Encore azana moi mi balé na ekona. Ye wana vitesse na dako.
Where are my two radiant
Wapi ba de jolie fille na ngai baza wapi? Boyawa. Envoyé depuis du ciel. Venez. Yoka.
Wonderful news for two.
The
moment I've been waiting for has arrived. The prince has come back from the United States. Don't you get it? Look, he's going to marry one of you. Not only that, if he marries any of you, it means he will have to take two of you to the States. And then I will be the first person in my age grade also go to the States. So you have to
But Papa, what if the prince doesn't?
Who else can be a certainly not around here. I know what it means. He will marry one of you. That means that if the Igwe dies, and I hope he does so pretty soon, whoever he marries automatically becomes the Lolo. And that gets me closer to the palace. So you have to prepare yourselves properly so you can entice the prince. You have to learn to walk
il faut apprendre.
seductively. Do you know what it's called?
Démarche séquique.
It doesn't mean getting down on
Tala,
all fours.
exactement que papa ngana yebi.
Practice it second.
Bon, mais comme exercice.
Let me sit
Allez,
down
exercice
and
yo
watch you
banda.
practice.
Yo banda, allez. Marche séductrice. Allez,
First
banda.
of all,
1 2
place your
go.
hand on your waist.
Otie le boko boye. Nengisi boye. Ozokende boye. 1
With
2
your teeth
3.
sparkling white.
Hein? Miss 90. Eh mama boka na koseka.
Alors,
Oh.
why are you laughing?
Ndio oseka. Yangote.
Okay, I'm arrêted. Oh, yeah.
Bon,
Come
ça
on,
va.
show me.
Yaka sko, yaka.
Okay, I'll put
Oya,
those to
oya.
work on.
Yaka ya yo meta.
Ha! Kiss me quick, quoi. Yes.
Yaka ko.
Hey, and that's my first
Tala.
move.
Première marche na ngai séductrice au Betty Ford.
Papa, watch.
Papa tala bien. Mame. Ozo ko mama fourmi na ba à la fois on comme côté tourner boy. Au Betty Ford me boy.
With this,
Betty Ford me
the
boy.
prince
Sally
will not
boy.
even look at you.
Okay, boy. Mame.
Let me show you
Yokana la
latest
kisosi
one.
koyo.
Come
La
now.
dernière marche.
I'm your big sis.
Papa Zotala.
But look at this one.
Papa tala oyo hein.
Okay, join me. First of all, the chest out.
Ya liboso otie moi elongi
Then,
moi boy.
very well now.
Oh, yoka
chest
no.
out.
Otie moi boy. Zala poser.
Then,
Otie moi
your
maboko
hands on
boy.
your waist.
Hein?
Are you doing
Beti moi
yes.
forme boye.
Then
Ozi
walk.
moi mi sotie boye. Alozo tambola. Na fière nyonso.
Easier before you fall. Look at yourself. But I'm doing more than you
Et
now.
non, ça la plus que yo no.
With your teeth right.
Ozo mo.
And so I need to
Papa kona zo zimele ba
Papa, how
marche.
do you see this?
Oh mon andeni. Papa andeni. Oui, ça c'est très bon vraiment.
Yes, you know.
Bango wana. Bazo sala ba répétition.
think the prince is going to marry both of them.
Ah, nazo mwa ngé prince abala bino mi balé. Vous êtes très kitoko vraiment. Ezali passe. Tongo etani.
Mama, I'm hungry.
Ana nzala.
What is that stupid thing?
Zoba wana zawa.
Where's it?
Asa.
I don't know.
Na yebi wa.
Hello,
Oh,
beautiful
bonjour,
girls.
ba jolie fille.
Radiating like diamonds.
Boza lokola batu
My
moko ba.
best investments.
Oh,
I'm
bino
thinking
boza
of only for
investissement na
princes.
ngai. Batu bako salisa ngana koma riche daza bino. Yoko ba projet.
Come on, daughters. What are you
Mini
waiting
longo.
for?
Boza ni pobo ya
Give your
papa.
daddy a hug.
Uya ba papa ko. Ba miao. Bienvenue.
What's wrong?
Ni longo.
What's the problem?
Ni longo kaka.
Papa, where's that rat?
Papa
of the
zoba
house
wana
here?
za pe
Do you know she's here to prepare our breakfast and there's no water for us to have at
tonto
home?
toliete.
All my clothes are dirty.
Oh.
And she's not smart enough to have
Tu azo sala telo moto.
Where is she?
Azab. Na yebite.
She's still sleeping.
You have to
Azolala.
that girl.
It's all right.
Azola. Nazo kene ko kote le kuna.
Are you looking for me?
Ole kanga. O tu ap. O mo de na
Coming
mai
from the
yope.
river.
No
Went
to
to
toka
fetch
mai.
water to cook.
Pona
You know
ko
that my
la.
girls have not had their bath yet.
Bana na
You know
ngana ba
that?
sokoli to ebike no ba sokoli.
You know that they have not eaten since
Oui, mais
morning.
non, le pain
Do you know the
baliete,
number of
hein?
hours you spent saying you are going to fetch
Donc
water?
yo so sala mo musalo nini ya.
Wait now.
Papa, na kene 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 ko toka mai comme ça so na yena lamba.
You know that you have not learned anything staying here.
Donc yo nazo mono nazo na ko lakisa yo. Ai 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 mam. Ai Tete.
Get back and go.
Donc ako.
Listen to me. I want you back here in the
Na
next 5
lingi
minutes.
na 5 minutes bazo loko ko
But I'm
lia.
going to kill you today.
Na ko boma yo.
Go and fetch that water. Come
Allez,
on.
kene. Ezali passe. Pas enfant adoptif. Ezali passe. Ya koma mwana musala. Pendant que azali mwana musala na bango te. Azali moto ya famille. Bakoli ezoyaka. Chinekebe. Koka mutu moko asala misala nyonso.
Ezigbo namo.
Ezigbo namo.
Arire muomo. Wame.
oza wapi?
Why did you do that? Did you have to pour the whole bucket of water just because you washed your hands?
What did you say?
Kende. I said, what did you say, you dirty thing? Don't push me again. Go. I didn't say anything.
No, can you imagine? Just because I came here to wash my hands. This
Yo.
So it has gotten to this extent, eh? I'm talking to you.
No push me again.
And if I do?
I'm talking
to you. Amaka, do something.
Sala quelque chose. Aïe mama, tu n'as pas colère na yo na bozo tumbola ye. Mama, aïe aïe aïe. Sangisa bango mi balé kuba. Ezali pasi. Yo.
What are you doing?
Osani.
Sleeping.
Hola.
You have the guts to fight my own children.
Ozana courage pour dire sa bande na ngabi balé.
Fall asleep again.
Allez, pour la kabango tina tongo.
I don't let mosquitoes bite the people.
Ce qui ngouye suit mon combat. Comment on ça là?
Very well.
Faut ça le très bien. Et ya là, quelle punition. Ah, le monde. Vantiloko. Quel sentiment. Napongi. Et ça lui passe. À l'arrêt, Bazolia. Tala, bien pour dans la santa bien. T'as non qui n'a fait tu as na.
I don't think so. I think when the prince wants to select his bride.
Peut-être un gars de prince à l'église. Prince à opponent.
But no match you.
Ah, pour na yo wapi. Oh.
Eh. What else you doing here?
Nino tell me.
Can you imagine?
Oh, imagine t'as la zoma. Tell me. Eh. Solo.
She's smelling.
Ah, solo. Look what. Look what. Ah. Ye bazu ya moi esanini ya mokie. Ye wana za kolia. Ezali pasi. Goliath azoyela ye.
What are you doing?
Yo Sani.
I'm eating. I haven't eaten since morning.
What have you done since morning that entices you to eat now? Tell me.
Tell
me. Have you fetched enough water for everybody here to bathe? Have you?
No, I'll do it.
Have you washed all the clothes that were given to you to wash? Have you?
I'll take everything.
Have you swept the entire compound? Have you cleaned my daughter's rooms?
I've only cleaned from.
You are very, very lucky. Lazy girl.
Yo.
Even we are still in the slave era, I would have sold you into slavery. What? You pour away the food I bought with my own money. You bought what? Huh? You are going to eat all of it now.
Allez.
Start eating.
Allez, banda koliango sikoi. Allez.
Eat it.
Allez, banda. Ezali pasi. Le monde. Et ses caprices. Zabeasu. Amaka.
Why are you sitting down here crying?
Nilango Vandela.
Are you going to wash all this today?
Nilango.
I wish I could just die.
I
wish I could just join my parents.
And sit to go
through this torture.
Can't talk like that. And what torture are you talking about?
I go to bed very late every night on empty stomach. And then my stepfather will wake me up with canes. I fetch water. I cook. I sweep the compound twice a day. When I get to eat only once. And then my stepsisters will not cease to call me names, to worsen it all.
Then why don't you run away?
I've thought of it. don't know where to go. I don't know anybody.
Don't worry, eh? Stop crying. I'm not all that busy in my house all the time. I can always come around and help you. I'll help you wash this clothes now. Let us wash this clothes.
Ezali passe. Azali konyo kwama. Mais la Bible dit, Bose pela bino ba oyo ba konyo kola. Ba ko persécuter bino. Pa batelo biko na bino ezali na tele ezali koya. Ezali passe. Muninga yo wana pa ko sunga ya sokola bilamba mukolango. Oh. Ça c'est vraiment une grâce. Ah.
Thank you so much.
Merci beaucoup.
You've been my saving grace.
Ah, vraiment ce qui t'est.
Imagine what you always clothes.
Thank you.
Let me go and bring food so that we can eat, okay?
No, I don't want to eat. I see tomorrow at this
time. Non, faut pas quitter. Bon, tout le monde là.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Zaba pambola yo vraiment. Au revoir. Ezali passé. Esengo na yo oyo bazali konyokola. Yesu azali koloba soki ngai nzete ya kokauka basalinga boye. Bongo bino nzete ya mai. Soki ngai nzete ya mai basalinga boye. Ebongo bino ya kokauka. Ye asisi misala na ye. Azwi pe livre na ye. Alingi abanda ko conjuguer. Ah, Goliath abimi.
What are you still doing?
Olingo sani.
You ought to be at the stream washing clothes.
What do you mean you
finish washing the clothes? Where did you wash them?
I finished.
Goliath atali. Tout lavé quoi?
What about the compound?
Mais le pango, combo le pango. Oui, na komboli. Tala nyoso yango.
Have you cleaned my daughter's clothes?
Oh, pango si chambre nanga. Oui, na pango si déjà. Ah, loka misala.
Have you fetched water for everybody to bathe with?
Oui, yango ezali na kati yao.
Have you?
Osali azolok.
Anything else?
Oboki banzete? Kataki banzete nyos? Zela. Na ke luka na ke fiye. Lelo kutani nango. Aisaki misale silite. Oziango lelo. Mama conjugué. Travaillez. Il y a l'examen bientôt. Et ça les passe. Yeah, Zoya. Américain.
Hey, Dad, what's up?
Oh, père.
How you doing this morning?
Comment, maman?
I can see that. What made you good day?
Comment?
Dad, I just want to get down to the village. I'll be right back. Okay? Just want to take a walk around. Okay?
Yeah, hello.
Bina, you have forgotten.
Obosani?
You are a revered prince. A symbol of this dynasty.
Vous allez symbole. Ya dignité.
The eagle that strides the sky.
Ba aigle o bazali ko panza ma peka na bango.
I must let you go. You must stay. Amechi.
Amachi.
No, calm down.
No, calme-toi.
Come on, Dad. Remember, Dad, when I was a little boy and I'll run off into the woods all by myself. Now climb the trees, I watch the squirrels jump from tree to tree. Hear the birds chirp here and there. Sit back and just listen to the beautiful voice of nature and the nature that surrounds me. Dad, those are times that I cherish in my memory. And I long for so much. And I would really appreciate it if you allow me to go out by myself. Okay, Dad, I'll be alright. And besides, I'll be back in a jiffy.
What about your security?
Mais sécurité na yo nini kaka? Papa, sécurité après, papa, ok? Sécurité après.
See you later.
Ok, nanga moko. Presi wana bimina ya boy na sécurité. Ba charge. Una pe. Azo sala na ye misala. Azo yeba na ye pa yekotala na ye bandeke. So bukuta na ye banane. Konjika ngo penza na ndenga sérieux. ayotala na ye bandeke Prince ayoki nkunga moko oh nazoyemba nkunga oyo ezobimela wapi atali na musika ayoki mutu azoyemba wana badi kobeta sampa petit
Sorry.
Désolé, hein?
I'm sorry to startle you. I was just passing by and I heard your voice. God, you have such a beautiful voice.
Thank you. Merci.
Sorry, do you care for some fruits?
I don't take things from strangers.
Stranger? I'm not a stranger.
Well, I don't know you. And I've never seen you around before.
Well, I understand, but I'm someone you ought to know.
Please just go, okay?
Pardon,
I don't want people to see us and start talking.
Please, would you? You sing so well. I love the way you sing. Let me walk you home while you sing for me, please.
To kill me. If you like the way I sing, come around here.
Alright then, will you be coming to the welcoming party at the palace?
If my stepfather lets me. Although honestly, I think the prince is being very unreasonable.
Unreasonable? Why do you think that?
Because I believe he should go out and search for his soulmate. Get to know the person. Have a relationship. Let love grow between them and then they can get married.
Tu vois?
You seem to know a lot about love.
Tell me more about it. Please.
I only know the obvious. You only find true love when you follow your heart.
The song. The song you were singing. Why choose to sing such a sad and sorrowful song?
The sadness and sorrow is what I've known most of my life. I'm an orphan. I never knew my father. My mom died when I was still very young. I live with my stepfather and stepsister. I'm lucky to live in hell with them.
Where do you live?
I have to go.
Papa.
It's getting late.
Okay. At least let me help.
Okay.
À suivre. Tout à la kuna. Yango ezali nango likambo ya ngolo ya nzambe oyo na gar mo pe kona zokanga ye poisson oh
I've been waiting for you.
Nabado c'est la yard na simantete
What for?
Bona
I just want to talk to you.
Kana ito lo ngaka asekena
Hey Sunday
dimanche
so you don't know your
yo yebite.
What is that supposed to mean?
It means that people like you don't stop me on
the way. Yo, what is going on here?
Papa, good afternoon. Bonjour, Papa. Papa, can you imagine this situation? I was coming back from the market. He stopped me and started talking rubbish.
Did any girl that you see that you talk to? Don't you know where to draw the line? Get off.
Cholilo.
Akudo.
Papa.
If the prince sees you talking to this kind of person, what will he think? Don't you know I'm preparing you for the prince? Go home.
Allez, n'attends. Ce qui est prince à mon est-ce que prince a bien même? Ah, Goliath, quel va projet! Très sûr en lui-même. Ok, ça va se savoir. Comment?
My sister, I am sorry. I forgot. I'll come and do it next week.
No,
I can't wait till next week. It has to be today or tomorrow. It's for the welcome party. Which welcome party? So you have not heard? See, the Igwe is throwing a welcome party for his son, Obina, who just came from overseas. And all the maidens in the village are invited. Why? How can the Igwe throw a party inviting all the girls in the village? You're still outdated. See, it is for the prince to choose his wife. My sister.
Il faut que le boxeur Robin nanga ye badi babe na ke boxeur binanga pardon mama otaka na sirage ina ko yokusenga kwa après na mama nene naza sur Goliath azoyoka déjà ba son Noma Akudo
Come.
Allez Bobima Yeah, beaucoup la fête lelo.
Oh, my prized possession.
Oh, ma possession ngai ya fier.
Wonderful investment. Who says diamonds are not
investissement?
You know what I am thinking about? The prince is going to have some problem choosing between both of them. So he's likely to wind up settling for two of you.